Alright, today we're going to be talking about a quick refresher on distributing property. So, if you recall, all we have to do for distributing property is take what's on the outside of our parentheses and multiply it to everybody on the inside. So, A parentheses B plus C would now become AB plus AC. Or, if we have A parentheses B minus C, again, multiply everybody on the inside, we would get AB minus AC. All right, let's talk some examples. So for number 1 here, we have 7 parentheses x plus 4. I'm going to take my 7 and multiply it to everybody on the inside. So that gives me 7x plus 28. Once you've distributed, make sure you go back and combine like terms if necessary. Number 2 is an example where we are subtracting. So you're going to multiply everybody on the inside. So that gives me 2b minus 6. Let's look at one that now involves a negative sign on the outside. So now we're going to take negative 4 and we're going to multiply it to everybody. So that'll give me negative 4y minus 12. Now, sometimes you're going to have letters that are multiplying to other letters, like number 11. Again, exact same thing. We're going to take our x and multiply it to everybody on the inside. X times y is xy. X times 4 is just 4x. Now, as you see on this one below, sometimes you can multiply it to more than just 2 things. This one we are multiplying to 3 things. So we're going to distribute it to, again, everybody on the inside. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 1 would be negative 2y. 2 times 8 is going to be 16. Nothing to combine, so we are good to go. Let's now take a gander at number 15, just so we can practice multiplying our letters again. X times 2y is going to be 2xy. X times negative 5 will be negative 5xz. And then x times 1 will just be x. If you'd like to go ahead and do fractions, fractions again are going to be the exact same thing. You're going to take your, let's do this one, 16. Going to take 1/4 and multiply it to 8. If you'd like to do this on your calculator, otherwise a nice trick I always like to do. 1/4 times 8/1. You can always put your constants over each other. Multiply straight across, it gives you 8/4. 8 divided by 4 is just 2. So that'll give me 2x. And you do the same thing, 1/4 times negative 4 is just negative 1. So let's work on some ones that we can combine here. So if we're going to scroll down here to number 19, I'm going to distribute first. So 8 to my 2x into my negative 3, so that'll give me 16x minus 24. And I'm just going to bring down my 6x. So again, distributing and then combining. I'm going to combine my variable terms of 16x minus 6. That'll give me 10x. And there's nothing to combine with my constant, so I'm just going to leave it alone. Minus 24. 20 is now requiring you to distribute twice and then combine. So I'm going to distribute my 9 to everybody inside, so it'll give me 18k minus 36. And now I'm going to take this negative 2 and distribute again To everybody on the inside, make sure you take that number in front. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14k. Negative 2 times negative 12 is going to be a positive 24. Combining our like terms, 18k minus 14k will give me 4k, just like the definition on your TV. And then I'm going to combine my constant terms. Negative 36 plus 24 will give me negative 12. All right, let me quickly write down the answers to the other 4 of these. So if you're practicing and you'd like to check yourself. So 21 is going to be negative 2y plus 16. 22 will be 30w minus 51. Hard fractions here. You're going to end up simplifying them really nicely. So you're going to get 7x minus 7. 24, again, your fractions simplify down real nicely. You get x plus 8. All right, so if you have any questions, please come see us on Zoom. You're going to continue with practice number 3.